मैंने तुम्हें चाहा रखा, कोई नहीं है वहाँ, पापा मेरी जान. I've sung for Amitabh Bachchan. I've sung for Dharmendra. I've sung for their sons. I've done that too. So I'm in a good space. So I met Rajesh Roshan ji, whose daughter Pashmina is with him. He met me last. He said, पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि 20 साल के बाद में एक गाना आ रहा है और 20 साल पहले से अच्छा लग रहा है अभी. So you never know what song comes my way. I never plan to do Ishq Vishk.
हाय, दिस इज समीना शेख हियर ऑन जूम चैनल और मेरे साथ में एक ऐसे मशहूर कलाकार है जिनकी आवाज़ सुनते ही हम सब झूम उठते थे. सो जॉइन मी एज आई वेलकम सोनू निगम ऑन जूम चैनल.
Thank you, Samina.
First of all, lovely to have you and happy birthday.
Thank you.
And आज तक whatever songs you've sung, people just keep on replaying. How does that make you feel?
I feel very blessed. I thank the universe, the Almighty, every day, as many times a day as I can. Whenever I see something good happening around me, whenever I see something good happening to others also, I always feel that I'm witnessing this, I'm alive. Like yesterday, I was working out at night and I was thinking, thank you God for making me live till 50. Because a lot of my friends haven't seen 50. And I'm now entering 51, now I'm 51. So I thank God for that, I'm really happy.
What is that one thing which you take away from your last year to your current year and going forward, which you have changed?
You know what, there comes a point when you cannot really pick a point. It's the overall feeling of well-being. And I'm really thankful to God and I'm happy that I have evolved quite nicely. I can feel that settlement in me, that stability, mental, spiritual stability in me. And the thing that I can see goodness in everything and others also makes me, because perhaps 20 years back I was not like that. Today I can feel the goodness around me and in others, which I am very thankful for.
One song, if you had to revive from your golden days, from your earlier days, which one would be that song?
Not my choice.
Yeah.
I mean, in fact, I just did Ishq Vishk, the rebound. Huh? Yeah. So I met Rajesh Roshan ji, whose daughter Pashmina is with him. He met me last. He said, पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि 20 साल के बाद में एक गाना आ रहा है और 20 साल पहले से अच्छा लग रहा है अभी. So you never know what song comes my way. I never plan to do Ishq Vishk rebound. So I'll rather let the cosmos take its own decision course.
So no, at the age of 4, your talent was recognized, and that's a very, very small age when people don't even know how to talk. But you have come a long way, and be it from Kya Hua Tera Wada to Achha Sila Dega, which is that one memory which you hold forever with yourself.
There are many. I can't tell you that one such memory is. I remember my mother used to tell me, and I also vaguely remember, but I do remember that I was singing on stage when I must be around 5 years old, and some uncle fell in love with me, and I was singing, and he came and he just hugged me, and I started crying on the stage. मेरा गाना खराब कर दिया, मेरा गाना खराब कर दिया. So ये मेरी memory है. So I was very passionate about singing, and I didn't want to be disturbed even back then when I was 4-5 years old. If I'm singing, then nobody disturbs me.
But don't you also feel that whenever you're on stage, people just come to showcase their love to you?
Yeah, I know.
You also at one of the events, someone just came to hug you.
Yeah.
Do you feel there should be some protocols which should be mentioned, or it's okay?
No, it's fine. Obviously, when you're performing, you don't want people to come on stage, and no artist would want that. So that's why security is there. But yes, of course, when you know that there's a genuine love coming, outpouring from somewhere, then you hug the person.
If in today's point, if any singer's voice you look up to, who's that song?
I love Arijit Singh. I love, of course, Shreya and all are now way more senior than Arijit, because Shreya and Sunidhi. But today, the new singers are amazing. Very good singers.
Any singer you want to collaborate with?
No. Let the Universe take its
And
own course.
anything you feel like, oh, I wish we could have collaborated. Any actor, you kind of feel like, oh, you miss those days, oh, but I wish I could have, worked with this
I've
person.
I've sung for Amitabh Bachchan.
Huh.
I've sung for Dharmendra. I've sung for their sons. So, in fact, I did sing for somebody's son also, 3 generation. I'm forgetting whose. I've done that too. So, I'm in a good space.
And when we talk about, there is one thing which keeps on popping on social media also and on Google. When are we going to see you collaborate again with Salman Khan? Because Hangover was taken away by him in a way, but will
No.
that happen?
Whenever if it's happened, as I said, I only see good in people. So, goodness will take precedence.
And lastly, before I let you go, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on?
What? I've sung something very special in Bhool Bhulaiya 3. You'll get to hear that.
And before I let you go, so if you don't mind, can you sing one song for your fans out there?
Okay, I'll sing Papa Harijan. अंबर पे मेरे एक ही तारा, वो एक तारा हो तुम, ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम, मैंने तुम्हें चाहा रखा, कोई नहीं है वहाँ, पापा मेरी जान.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you for your lovely time and all the
Thank
very
you.
best. Looking
Thank you
forward
so
to see
much.
more of your songs.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.